Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English learning session. In this video, we will practice real, simple, and natural English through a daily routine interview.
Good morning, Arjun. Welcome to today's interview.
Good morning, Riya. Thank you for inviting me.
How are you today?
I'm good. I woke up early, so I feel fresh.
That's great. Today, we will talk about your daily routine. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
So, Arjun, what time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock a.m. every day.
Wow, that's early. What is the first thing you do?
First, I stretch a little and drink a glass of warm water.
Nice. Do you check your phone after waking up?
No, I try not to. I check my phone only after freshening up.
Good habit. How long do you take to get ready?
Around 20 minutes.
What do you do after getting ready?
I go for a morning walk for 15 minutes.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I do light exercises and some stretching.
And what about breakfast?
I usually eat poha or omelet with tea.
Do you prepare it yourself?
Sometimes yes, sometimes my mom prepares it.
What do you do after breakfast?
I start more online classes at 9 a.m.
How many hours do you study?
Around 3 to 4 hours.
Do you take breaks?
Yes, I take a 5-minute break every hour.
That's smart. What do you do in breaks?
I drink water or walk around the room.
What time do you have lunch?
I take lunch at 1 p.m.
What do you usually eat?
Rice, dal, and vegetables. Sometimes roti.
And after lunch?
I rest for 20 minutes and then continue my work.
What is your evening routine like?
I go to play cricket with my friends around 5 p.m.
Oh, nice. How long do you play?
for 1 hour. Then I come back home and take a bath.
Do you drink tea in the evening?
Yes, I drink tea with some biscuits.
What do you do at night?
I study again for 1 hour or watch some English videos.
What time do you have dinner?
Around 9 p.m.
And when do you go to bed?
I sleep at 10:30 p.m.
That's a healthy routine. Thank you for sharing, Arjun.
Thank you, Riya. I enjoyed this.
Friends, our aim is to improve your English. We want you to learn English easily and understand it well. If we make any mistake, please ignore it and tell us in the comments which new topic you want next so we can help you learn English in a better way. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.